In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the PayPal Express checkout issue on Shopify. If you've been experiencing problems with this feature not functioning correctly, don't worry, because I have a clear step-by-step solution that will take about 5 minutes to complete. First, you need to log into your Shopify account using your correct email and password. Once logged in, the settings section, which is typically found at the bottom left corner of your admin dashboard. Click on Settings, and a menu with several options related to your store's configuration will appear. From this menu, select Payments. The Payments section is the central hub for managing all transaction-related settings on your Shopify store. Here, you will see a list of all the payment providers you have enabled, including PayPal. Pay close attention to ensure that PayPal is correctly configured and enabled. Check for any alerts, warnings, or error messages that might indicate potential problems with your setup. While you are in the payment section, verify that your PayPal account is in good standing. This means there should be no limitations, restrictions, unresolved disputes, or pending verifications on your account. Any of these issues can cause PayPal Express checkout to fail, so it is critical to resolve them before proceeding. Once you have confirmed that your account is in good standing, the next step is to double check that the correct PayPal API credentials have been entered in Shopify. Misconfigured or incorrect credentials are one of the most common reasons why checkout failures occur. Carefully review the API credentials and, if necessary, re-enter them to ensure accuracy. If, after following these steps, the issue persists, it may be related to your PayPal account rather than Shopify. In this situation, contacting PayPal support is highly recommended. Specific issues that are not immediately visible through Shopify settings. Completing these steps should resolve most problems with PayPal Express checkout not working on Shopify. Remember, the solution usually involves confirming account status, re-entering credentials accurately, and ensuring there are no outstanding restrictions. Following this process allows your customers to enjoy a smooth and reliable checkout experience while helping you maintain proper transaction management. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you fix your PayPal Express checkout issue. Please leave a comment if it worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy payment integration.